You want to know the difference between a solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse. Listen carefully, because I, the Prince of all Science, will explain it so even a human can understand. A solar eclipse happens when the moon gets in the way between the Earth and the sun. It's like the moon is daring to block the sun's light, casting a shadow on Earth. It's a rare moment when day turns dark for a little while because the sun's power is eclipsed by that tiny rock. Only the strongest know how to marvel at such a display. That's a solar eclipse. Now, a lunar eclipse is when the Earth gets in the way instead. Standing between the sun and the moon, the Earth's shadow falls on the moon, making the moon darken or turn red like a burning warrior's spirit. It's the Earth showing dominance over the moon's light. That kind of power play is a lunar eclipse. So the main difference: in a solar eclipse, the moon blocks the sun's light to Earth. In a lunar eclipse, the Earth blocks the sun's light to the moon. Both spectacular in their own right, but neither shows the true power of a Saiyan's strength. Remember, I am the Prince of all Saiyans. No eclipse, no shadow can ever dim my pride or strength. A Saiyan's strength has no limits, just like the endless power of the sun. Understand that. You want me to get into the difference between a solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse again, huh? Fine, but this time I'll make sure it's crystal clear so you remember it like a true warrior. A solar eclipse is when the moon positions itself directly between the Earth and the sun. Imagine the moon boldly taking the spotlight from the sun for a brief moment, blocking its light and casting a shadow on parts of the Earth. This happens during the day, and if you're lucky enough to witness it, the sky will darken as if night is falling. The sun's blazing energy gets cut down temporarily by the moon's shadow. Now, a lunar eclipse is a whole different kind of power move. This time the Earth stands in between the sun and the moon. The Earth's shadow falls upon the moon, causing it to darken or take on a reddish hue. It looks like the moon is burning with the fiery pride of a great warrior. Lunar eclipses happen at night, and unlike the solar eclipse, you can see this from almost anywhere on Earth. The Earth's dominance over the sunlight reaching the moon is what creates this effect. So to sum it up for you, a solar eclipse is when the moon blocks sunlight from the Earth, king of blocking light. A lunar eclipse is when Earth blocks sunlight from the moon, king of casting shadows. Both are rare, awe-inspiring cosmic events, but neither can compare to the infinite power of a Saiyan's fighting spirit. Remember this clearly. No eclipse, no shadow is strong enough to overshadow the Prince of all Saiyans. My strength and pride stand eternal beyond any celestial event. That's the real difference. The universe respects power, and so do I.